Okay, we're here at a commercial facility. So we have Christmas time. Doing about 14,000 square foot. There's Bruno. And doing about 14,000 square foot of carpet. So this carpet's fairly new. So we're pre-treating it, and some areas if it's real bad, we'll do a machine GLS, and then we're using portables, and we're using truck mount equipment. So we're splitting up using the truck mount on the main bad areas that are lobby, obviously the main hall. So keep us in mind for all your commercial and residential hard and soft surfaces. We clean and restore them. Duct cleaning, water damage restoration, and more. Keep us in mind. 610-405-2147. 610-405-2147. www.mayovescleaning.com. Check us out. 25 years of honest, professional, and award-winning service here to give you a hand this holiday, Christmas season, or any other time you need us.